Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm unveiling something that you may not see in any of your shops or online anywhere. This is what we call the Dewalt Mark II, and what this is, it's a repurposed LED lamp. The LED lamp has been removed and two little fans have been fitted and an on-off switch. It fits the Dewalt batteries, of course. It's called the Dewalt Mark II because this was sent to me by one of my subscribers, Big Darren, and it's made in Larne, so don't judge. No judgment here, man. So it's a soldering fan. So the air blows out there, it sucks in the air here, blows out the air here, and I'll demonstrate how it works now. So we're in at the bench again, and we're going to demonstrate how this all works. So if you watch some of my videos, you'll see me doing bits of soldering and stuff. I'm not actually going to do soldering, but you see the smoke rising. Sometimes you'll hear me blow the smoke away, as it were. Trying to get a bit of smoke going. A good head of smoke coming here now, and it's all coming up towards me, as you can see. But what we do here with the Dewalt, we can direct the smoke away from the user, so it's going in here and it blew out here, so I'm getting none of those fumes that's coming from that there. You see, sucking them all up, so that we have a winner, I think. So that's a winner. Thank you very much, Darren, for providing this to the doctor's surgery. It's going to have pride of place and I'm going to use it very often. Thank you very much. And if NASA want the patent, I'm going to have to split it with Darren. I think 60-40. Darren deserves a 60. This is a work of art. Thank you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.